What's up, ladies and gents? We're ready for our first break of the night. It was supposed to be yesterday, but we're ready to go here now. It is McDavid Mania 4-box mixer 613. Break 613. We're going to go ahead and do our teams right now. Best of luck. Live. Here we go. I'm on breaking from the road tonight. Let's get some road mojo. 848. Jay to Nico. And Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 8:48. 8:48 it is. Last and final random. Fourth and final timestamp. I'm a little slow here. I got a weird mouse, weird setup going here tonight. 8:48 and 8:48 it is. Let's copy them over. Top spot was Jamie, and halfway is Jay. Usually I do the teams first. I started with the names. Craig to Nico. All right, guys. There's your teams. Your name is too long, Charles. Okay, now we got to do the teams. 8:49 this time. And here's your teams. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 8:49. 8:49. Last and final will do it. Last and final timestamp is at 8:50. At 8:50 it is. Let's copy these over. Rangers top spot to the Islanders. Rangers to the Islanders, and we got Toronto to New Jersey. All right, folks, here's your teams. We'll paste them in the comments. We'll see you soon. 10 minutes for the break. Best of luck.